Imagine this, you're eating home-cooked meals every day, thinking you're being healthy. But the oil you're using might be quietly damaging your liver. Fatty liver disease is now affecting millions of people worldwide, even those who have never touched alcohol. The scary part? In the early stages, it's almost silent. No pain, no symptoms, until it's serious. The good news? A simple change in your cooking oil can protect your liver, reduce inflammation, and help you feel healthier and more energetic. Today, I'll share the 5 best cooking oils to avoid fatty liver disease, and trust me, you'll be surprised which ones made the list. Segment 1, Olive Oil, the Golden Shield. Number 1, Extra Virgin Olive Oil, also called liquid gold. Rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, it helps reduce inflammation and prevents excess fat from building up in your liver. Research shows that people who use olive oil regularly have better liver enzyme levels and healthier cholesterol. And here's the magic, olive oil also improves insulin sensitivity, which is directly linked to lower liver fat. Tip: use it for salad dressings, drizzling over steamed vegetables, or light sautéing. Keep it away from extremely high heat to preserve its benefits. Segment 2, Avocado Oil, the heat-proof hero. Next up, avocado oil. This oil has a higher smoke point, which means it stays stable even when cooking at higher temperatures. Perfect for grilling, roasting, or stir-frying. It's loaded with oleic acid, which not only supports heart health but also reduces oxidative stress in the liver. Segment 3, Coconut Oil, the quick energy source. Number 3, coconut oil, but here's the key, moderation. It contains medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which your body uses for energy almost instantly, instead of storing them as fat in the liver. It also has antibacterial and antifungal properties that keep your gut healthy, and a healthy gut means less toxin load for your liver to process. Segment 4, Flaxseed Oil, the Plant Omega-3 Boost. Number 4, Flaxseed Oil. It's one of the best plant sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to reduce liver inflammation and protect against fat buildup. The catch? It's sensitive to heat, so never cook with it. Instead, use it as a finishing oil, drizzle over salads, add to dips, or mix into smoothies for a nutrient boost. Segment 5, Sesame Oil, the antioxidant armor. Finally, sesame oil, a hidden treasure for liver health. It contains sesamin and sesamol, antioxidants that help protect liver cells from oxidative damage.